Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Deontay? Deontay, welcome back. Welcome back, everybody in the chat. Welcome back. Happy Monday. Glory be to God. Let's get right into it. Let's get right into it. Romans chapter 8, verse 6. So letting your sinful nature control your mind leads to death. Right? Verse 6. So letting your sinful nature control your mind leads to death, but letting the spirit control your mind leads to life and peace. Not much. I'm doing pretty good, Deontay. Doing good. Remember that, guys. Letting your sinful nature control your mind leads to death, and letting your spirit control your mind leads to life and peace. That's Romans chapter 8, verse 6. So make sure that you're always standing in the spirit, y'all. We also have some strong messages today. We also have Mark chapter 7, verse 14. Then Jesus called to the crowd to come and hear. All of you who listen, he said, and try to understand. It is not what goes into your body that defiles you. You are defiled by what comes from your heart, right? Then Jesus went into a house to get away from the crowd, and his disciples asked him what he meant by the parable he had just used. Jesus says, "Don't you understand either?" Right? He told them, "Don't you understand either? Can't you see that the food you put into your body cannot defile you? Food doesn't go into your heart, but only passes through the stomach and then goes into the sewer." By saying this, he declared that every kind of food is acceptable by God's eyes, right? Then he added, "It is what comes from inside that defiles you. From within, out of a person's heart, comes evil thoughts, sexual immorality, theft, murder, adultery, greed, wickedness, deceit, lustful desires, envy, slander, pride, and foolishness. All things vile, things come from within that are what defiles you," right? It's not what we put inside of ourselves, guys. It's what comes out of us that defiles us. And that's our sinful nature. So we always got to remember this. Romans chapter 8. Sinful nature controls your minds, leads to death. Spiritual control of your mind leads to life and peace, right? Glory be to God. So try to remember to stay in that spirit, be in the spirit, not the flesh. If you stay fleshly, if you stay fleshly, things of this world will lead you to death, right? Jesus says that broad is the path to destruction, and narrow is the path to life and eternal life, right? So remember to stay in the spirit as much as possible. Work on being in that spirit. Exercise being in that spirit. And how can we do that? So let me give you another scripture. How can we work on being in that spirit? By doing this. 1 Corinthians chapter 13. If I could speak all the languages of the earth, right? If I could speak all of the languages of the earth, what if that's Spanish, English, Mandarin, any type of language, right? And of angels, but didn't love others, I would only be Nosey's gong and a clanging cymbal. If I had the gift of prophecy, and if I understood all of God's secret plans and possessed all of knowledge, and if I had such faith that I could move mountains, but didn't love others, I would be nothing. Right? But he's saying right here, if you had secret knowledge, you possessed all of the knowledge, right? You were blessed with all kind of spiritual gifts, but didn't love others, you will be nothing, right? If I gave everything, and if I had to the poor, and even if I sacrificed my body, and even if I boast about it, but if I didn't love others, I would have gained nothing. Love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful or proud or rude. It does not demand its own way. It is not irritable, and it keeps no record of being wronged. It does not rejoice about injustice, but rejoices whenever the truth wins out. Love never gives up, never loses faith. It is always hopeful and endures through every circumstance, right? Prophecy and speaking in the unknown languages and special knowledge will become useless, but love will last forever. Now, our knowledge is partial and incomplete. Even the gift of prophecy reveals only a part of the whole picture. But when the time of perfection comes, these partial things will become useless. When I was a child, I spoke and thought and reasoned as a child. But when I grew up, I put away childish things. Now we see things imperfectly, like puzzling reflections in a mirror. But then we will see everything with perfect clarity. All that I know now is partial and incomplete. But then I will know everything completely, just as God knows me completely. Three things will last forever: faith, hope, love. And the greatest of these is love. So remember, guys, to remember to have love. Continue to love. No matter what, you can be very smart, very rich, very knowledgeable. If you don't have love, you don't have nothing, right? Because it's the strongest of it all, love. So glory be to God. What's up, y'all? What's up, Jarvis? What's up, Tristan? Right? Remember, guys, to have love. It says at the end, verse 13, three things that will last forever: faith, hope, love. All right? Faith, hope, and love. You can have all of the spiritual gifts, all of the blessings in the world, but if you don't have love, you don't have nothing. Right? Right back here too. Romans chapter 8, verse 6. If you let your fleshly self control your life, it will lead to death. If you let the spiritual self control your life, it will lead to life and peace for eternity. Always try to remember to stay in that spirit. Continue to have love. Love your neighbors. Love one another, no matter if you're persecuted by one another. That's the point of being a Christian, y'all. Think about it like this. This is what it means to be a Christian, to be a follower of Jesus Christ. No matter what you're going through, you might say that the road is hard. Pick up your cross every single day. You pick up your cross every single day. You walk that good walk with Jesus Christ. Remember, Jesus walked this whole world knowing that people hated him. They envied him. They were jealous of him. You know, they didn't want to follow him, but he still loved everyone. And he still died for everyone's sins, right? He pinned everybody's sin to the cross. That's love. He loved everyone, even when they hated him. Right? So we must be the same way. When people rub us the wrong way, hurt us, abuse us physically and mentally, verbally, we still have to love them, right? Because Jesus did the same thing. He loved them. Because you will be blessed. You don't repay evil with evil, right? Remember that darkness seen light, and darkness couldn't comprehend light. It couldn't understand light. It couldn't overcome light. Light shining in the darkness. It was never overwhelmed and overcome. That's beautiful. Knowing that you got all this darkness, but when you see light, nothing can dim his light. It's so powerful. Darkness can't comprehend the darkness can't comprehend the light. So remember, guys, be a light in this world. Follow the rules of the law of God. Remember that, to always love, always be holy. Do your best to not sin, to repent of your sins. You do these things, God is going to recognize you and bless you for this, right? He's going to see you for being one of his children. And it's just as simple as that, right? Yeah, glory be to God. It's simple as that. Do the right thing. Just do the right thing. That's it. Love one another. Love your neighbors. Love your brothers and sisters, even when they hurt you. Don't mean you got to be around them when they doing you bad. Just love them. Preach the word. Because remember, Scripture is powerful. Scripture is like a double-edged sword. It's sharper than any double-edged sword out there. Always put on that armor of God, right? Remember to put on that armor. I'll show you that armor. Give me a second. Make sure when you're going in this world and you're like, man, I don't know what to do. I need protection. You pray for protection. You ask God for that armor. You ask God for that armor right here, right? The helmet of salvation, the breastplate of righteousness, the shield of faith, right? The sword of the Spirit, the shoes of peace. What's the helmet of salvation? The helmet of salvation is to guard your mind, right? When you're attacking your mind and you're getting these evil thoughts, put on the helmet of salvation so you don't have negative thoughts, so you don't have the constantly the depression in your mind, the anxiety in your mind, the stress. Remember that these words are powerful. They're real. Words are true, right? Have the breastplate of righteousness to protect your heart, right? Protect your heart. The shield of faith to defend against the attacks of the enemy. You have faith. You won't have doubt. You won't have fear. Love drives out fear. So when you have love, you know that you have faith, right? And also the shield of faith. When you know that if you have this shield and you're protecting yourself from the enemy's attacks, you'll be good. You'll be standing strong. The sword of the spirit, which is the words of God, the scriptures. You constantly meditate on the word day and night. You could fight off the enemy with words of scriptures. You'll never lose. The words are strong. The shoes of peace, so you can stand firm in your calling, right? Like I said right here, preparing not just for the start of your day, but to confront the forces of darkness that might try to knock you off your way, off your purpose, right? So make sure that you're putting on that armor of God. Make sure that you're putting on that armor of God. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's see what we got today. All right, look, man, we in this big range, huge range, right? Huge range. On a daily, it looks sideways. We broke the highs, though. Broke the highs. Came back, retraced it. Now we in this range. On a weekly, broke the highs. Now we in a new week. Can we start? What we gonna do? Are we gonna move sideways? Or are we gonna retrace, come back down? What we gotta see? We gotta look at the lower time frame to kind of get an understanding of where this market may go. Trend is still long, even though we tapped into some highs. Trend is still long. Let's see. Weekly. Can we see a retracement back down to these lows, right? On a daily, we got a previous day high, we got a previous day low, but we in the range, we in the equilibrium, right? We in this equilibrium, we smack in the middle, right? So what's next? We got an imbalance below. Look at a 1 hour. On a 4 hour, it seems like we couldn't break higher. Taps into this 4 hour fair value gap, rejected off of it. Try to go back up for the highs, rejected again, right? We couldn't break once. Let me see. On the 1 hour, we couldn't break once, we couldn't break twice, and we couldn't break 3 times to the highs. So that's 3 confirmation that we might take the longs today. Take the shorts today. So I'm thinking my buys for the day might be short. My buys of the day may be short today. Drop it down to a 30. See what else we got. Drop it down to a 30, drop it down to a 15. I don't really see any zones. Anything that sticks out to me. I mean, I do see something, but we're going to see. In this range. A lot of range today. We might not see no big moves today. We're going to see a lot of ranginess going on today. Also on ES. Let's see what we got. All right, so the 15-minute just printed. Stay like this 5-minute demand zone. Couldn't even break lower either. Yeah, it looks rangy today. We gotta make it may be a see money, take money type of day. You know what I mean by that? See money, take money. Like if we stay in this range and we're not breaking high or low, like for example, look, we're not breaking lower. We haven't broken higher. I'm sure what I mean. We in these internal highs. Internal highs. Took out like liquidity rejected, took out this liquidity, came back down. See, we in this range. If we don't break these ranges, then I don't see us going nowhere. But I would like to see us somewhere, maybe either move high or shorter. We're going to see. See? We're still between all of this. Right in this middle range. We're gonna see once we have that opening range. We're gonna see if we're gonna eat a break high or lower. We're gonna see. Market opens up in 14 more minutes. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. If you have any more questions, let me know in the chat. In the chat. In this range between this 5-minute fair value gap, between this 5-minute demand zone. Took out that imbalance below right here. Remember the levels I said on the 4th? Nah, what was it, Rambo? Let me know in the chat. What was it? Remember the levels I said on the 4th? I forgot. Was it like 2250 or something like that? Like the 50s? Look like we're rejecting. We're gonna see though. But didn't get the break. My boy Rambocito. What's up, Amir? Good to see y'all back in the chat. Everyone back in the chat, what's up? Man, brand new week. Let's get it. Brand new week. Man, them shorts look so good. I ain't gonna lie. They do look good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Entry 22,902. Stop loss at 22,887. Target 22,972. 22,902. Entry was 22,902. Where did you buy your subscribers? Where did you buy your subscribers? I bought my subscribers off of buysubscribers.com. They had a deal for $1 million. You can buy like 1 million subscribers for like $100. 12.45. Good entry. Dang, boy. Nice. Nice. I like that. Nice move. Nice move. 22,887. Ooh, 22,888. Ooh, man, wow, you did it. Man, that was a good play. How much you profit off that one? That was a good play. I ain't gonna lie. Good play. Good play. Wow. I know you up like 10 racks off that move. Man, you was up at 4 o'clock in the morning? Dang. My guy was up 4 o'clock in the morning. Catching plays at 4 in the morning is crazy. You supposed to be catching Z's at 4 in the morning. Boy, out there catching plays at 4 in the morning. Entry was at 09. Had a stop right at the lows at 87. Then caught a whole. Boy, caught a whole 70-point move. Crazy. That boy was waiting for that move. You were waiting for that move. Jeez. Put a stop right below the lows. Nice play, bro. Nice play. Nice play. Yes, sir. He got a system. It works every time for him. That's what's up. Market opens up in 9 more minutes. So we come back and take out these lows again. So what you done for the day, Rambo? You're not trading no more today, or you just looking, or you just gonna sit on hands until you see another opportunity? So you caught that. That was amazing. And it was it's textbook. Like you said, it's textbook. We take out this liquidity. We couldn't break past these wicks, man. That's textbook. Right here, also too, we not breaking. So you know we're probably gonna go short. Take out these lows and hit this previous day low. Also probably coming down to this 4 hour. I might take the shorts, honestly, and see if we can go into that 4 hour. I'm not trading today. I'll just be learning from this live. Okay, for sure, for sure. Watch me watch me be the punching bag. I'm gonna see if we can retrace off this. I'm gonna see if we can reject off this 5 minute and continue to go lows. I'm gonna take out these liquidity at the lows right here and see if we can bounce at this 4 hour. My target is gonna be this 4 hour fair value gap. I mean this 4 hour demand zone. So when market open, if we get the volume and we can push down and reject off this block right here, I'm gonna definitely try to go for the shorts. See if we can take out some of this liquidity. I think my first TP gonna be down here. I'm gonna name this first TP. Nah, you'll be good. I want to make sure that I'll be punching back. But if we don't just drop like crazy. First TP, previous day low, stop above the highs, maybe right here. We're gonna see. We couldn't break the highs. Took out some liquidity on the last high. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I think we could push down. We're gonna see. Oh man, I got a little crook in my neck. I like how the red candle is engulfing. Man, it's looking good for the shorts. I like that we got this red engulfing candle, right? I like that, looking short. See if we can get that continuation. Got 5 minutes on a 30 minute. See if we can get a pull back up a little bit before we drop. Before we drippy drop. It'd be nice to see these shorts coming though. But good trade, Rambo. Real good trade, bro. For real good trade. That was a good trade. If you don't get that breaker structure and we take out the liquidity doing no breaker structure, hey, you got no other choice but to go the opposite way. Especially if the candle if the buyers or the sellers start drying up, you got no choice. Four more minutes until market open. Man. Let's get it. Happy Monday. I Yeah. Also remember, guys, I'm gonna put this up one more time. Well, probably more times. Romans chapter 8, verse 6. So letting your sinful nature control your mind leads to death, but letting the spirit control your mind leads to life and peace. The sinful nature is lust, sexual immorality, greed, envy, slanderness, right? Hatred, things of evil, things that's not good. You know, in your heart, you will go, oh, I shouldn't did that. I shouldn't done that. I shouldn't said that. I shouldn't thought that. Those are sinful natures. But if you stay in the spirit, love, patience, kindness, humbleness, humility, you know, things of the spirit, that's going to bring you life and peace. Because remember, one day this body is going to be done and dusted, right? It's going to be in the dust one day. But the spirit is going to be with God one day. And when you're standing in front of the judgment, he's going to either see that you're under the law of Moses, under the perfected law, or you're going to be under the law of grace because you gave your life to Jesus Christ and you picked up your cross every day. You did the right thing every day. You prayed every day. You repented every day, you know, those type of things. So make sure that you walk in the spirit and not in the flesh. Because remember, broad is the way to destruction and narrow is the way to eternal life. Am I trading before open? Nah. AE, nah. Trading before market open is criminal. Well, I would trade before market open, but not literally three minutes before market open. Like, come on. Chippy chop. I'll just be asking to get chopped up. Bro, your profile picture is really getting to me. Is that yo? What? Wait a minute. Dude, what is up with this profile picture? My man's picture crazy. Oh, y'all can see it? Ah, y'all can't see it. Ah, oh well, it is what it is. That's funny. At first, I thought it was you looking up in the air. I was about to say, bro, what got you doing that? What got you doing that? All right, so market's about to open, y'all. Let me stop yapping. Market's about to open. Big push today. Nice push. Nah. Don't tell me that. Cause that long did not come in. That thing was choppy. We had the man. Nah. That was right here. You talking about when that long came in? What, right here? Nah. That long came in Sunday night. Nah, bro. Market's opening in 10 seconds. Nah. He about to claim that long is nah. The only person that's gonna claim that long is Rambo. Rambo is the only one that's gonna claim that long. I even pinned you at the top. Nah, I give it to you. You was right. We was gonna go long. I mean, we was gonna go long. Come on now. There we go. Market's open. We're getting that push on. Big push long. Wow. In facts. Okay, yeah. Obviously on the 15-minute we couldn't break. Green candle came in. Big rejection. Pop. Big push. Big old push. All right, let's see what happens right here. Are we going to continue to go long from here? Let's see. I would expect us to at least came down and maybe, you know. But oh well. We in this range though. Big rejection. Big rejection. Goodness, hold on. Oh my goodness. What's the move? Wow. Bro, that rejection was huge. Anybody that went long on that, sheesh. Whew. Criminal. Criminal offense. Literally. Criminal offense. I want to see what this 5 minute do in 3 minutes. Y'all didn't see that. What's up, random? Y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that. Let's see me do that. Big wick. Alright, alright, alright. Ooh, big rejection. Good. Oh my. Ooh. Bro, y'all see this candle? Just hurting people's accounts. Just mean. That's just so mean, y'all. All of that volatility. For what cost though? Like, man, hey, if you in this, be careful. Be careful. All right, we got a rejection on a 2 minute. I want to see if we can get rejection on the first. I want to see a rejection on the 1 to the 2 to the 3 and the 5 minute. 1 to the 5 minute. I want to see a rejection. I might take a short. We're gonna see. But with this candle right here, this green candle with this hammer right here, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Looks like a lot of rejection. We're gonna see. This is crazy. Man, people just couldn't wait to trade, huh? Oh yeah, I go on Top Step Wednesday at 11:15. So watch out for that. 11:15. Top Step at 11:15. Big rejection candle. 3 minute. I like that. The candles are beneath that like that. I like that. 5 minute. I'm just waiting for this 5 minute to print. Man, that long came in relentless. Man, they ain't giving nobody a shot. Jeez, it's just taking off without me even waiting for a confirmation. 5 minute, but no. All right, I'm gonna try one short right here. I'm gonna try a short. I'm gonna put my stop below the highs. I'm gonna target this previous day low. Previous day low. I might go in heavy. Oh, never mind. Goodness. I'm gonna go in heavier once we get more confirmation. If it bounces back up if it retraces back and respects, I'm gonna go back into a short, even heavier. I might go in now. Just because off that wick alone got me want to go in heavier. First TB already hit. Goodness. And I ain't want going too heavy just in case the volume start getting way too heavy. You know? Alright, ES is hitting that 1 hour though. ES is tapping into his 1 hour. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We got 10 seconds on this 5 minute. Hope we don't we're gonna see. Wow, big rejection. Goodness. My goodness. Bro, I am lagging. It's so much volatility that I'm lagging. See if we can reject right here. How many ticks is this? 170 ticks. See if we can reject at this fair value gap. Nah, we got above on the 1 minute. I don't like that. Oh, we rejecting right here. Let's see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. See if I should add right here. Okay. Can we keep below this 5-minute demand zone? I would like to see it happen. I got one stop above. I want to see us continue to go short. And if not, then, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. No big deal. That's why I'm in one micro. All right, we couldn't get the close on that, but then I don't like that. I don't like that. Bouncing off that 1 hour on ES. Might stop a little higher right here on top, above this 30-minute. Oh, let me make this higher. Uh-oh, here come. Big move down. I'm gonna add 10 in this. I'm gonna add more. I'm in 21. I must take out partials. I'm gonna go like the 3-minute. Love to move on that 3-minute. Let's see if we can get that continuation. I may not like that move either. We're gonna hold it. I didn't like that move. Didn't like that move at all. Might take out partials. I'm gonna stop a little higher again. 3 seconds on that. Yeah, this might be it. We're gonna see. I do not like that move. What's up, everybody in the chat? Big rejection. All right. Faking out. We're gonna see. I think it's gonna push. I might have to get out of some of it. Yeah. engulfing too. Facts. Hey, that's a good idea, a great idea. I'm in this trade, so I'm trying to manage it before I start scaling out. It's a tough one. I ain't gonna lie, it's a tough. We just bounced off a 1 hour on ES too. We're gonna see. I think we might go long. I gotta be careful right here though. Excuse me. Can we get that continuation? Still in this trade though. Looking rough. It's looking rough. I ain't gonna lie. I just don't like the. I don't like the. I don't like the sidewaysness of this move. We got above that. What you call it? Hopefully we can respect it. I don't like that. I don't like how that looks. We gonna see. What happened to my Oh, there we go. There we go. I don't like how we build up above this. Might start scaling out if we keep pushing up. I want to see us reject out that 30-minute though. 30-minute. I would like to see us reject and just come back down to these lows. But we are at equilibrium. There we go. One ugly move. One ugly, ugly, ugly move. Ew. 30 seconds on this candle. 30 seconds on the 15. Ew, ew, ew. That was, I ain't gonna lie, that was an ugly move. That was an ugly move. Just straight criminal. Criminal offense. 3 seconds. 30-minute, we underneath. Alright, I like that. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Can we get back underneath? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. We gonna see. Does it want to continue, had a continuation for the short? I would hope so. We in 21 micros. But this trade is, I like it. I like it. I like it. $5-minute. Ooh. Uh-oh. What we gonna do right here? Can we have the continuation? We gonna see. Or are we gonna just hold this range and continue to just bounce around? I don't want to see that happen though. I would like to see us have a follow through to the shorts. Right? We got 30-minute. Come on, let's have that follow through. This is a tough spot. If we don't get that follow through and like, if we don't get that follow through, you know I gotta take out. Okay. I'm gonna keep my stop tight too. I might just, okay. Okay. Okay, so what's the move? We got another 2-minute. Alright. Come on. It's a tight range. I ain't gonna lie, it's a tough range. We're not breaking. We're building higher. We're not breaking. I don't like that. I don't like this. I don't like this right here. Don't like that. I'm gonna still hold just in case. I'm gonna still hold. Let me get rid of all inverse. Well, no. 15 seconds on that. Let me push it back up a little bit. I don't want to see us get back above. If we get back above, then I'm gonna have to take out of this. Come on, come on. Uh-oh. I don't like this. I don't know. I don't know. It's holding. It's holding. It's holding. But we're gonna still try to hold. We're gonna still try to hold this range. We're not breaking high, no, we're breaking low, but I don't like how we in this range, dog. It's on 15-minute. Ooh, I don't like this. One bit. Yeah, I don't like this one bit. Had a feeling I was gonna do that. Let me get rid of this. It's in my way. Yeah. What are we doing right here? I'm gonna get out some. Alright, I'm out of partials. I'm down 821, but that's okay though. We'll get back in if the move play out right. Talk about Chop City. If it doesn't want to go down, it doesn't want to break down on a 5-minute. We didn't want to. Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. This market is choppy. Look, I be ranging. Fake outs. It is Monday though, you know. It is Monday. It might just be accumulating today. It ain't really much but sideways. I said it when I first got on. Might just see sideways. Cause we already broke out the highs. We just gonna bounce up and down. Might have to find a better trade. I want to see these shorts come in. I really do. I would like to see these shorts come in, but then look how it's building up. See, I don't like the build up. It almost looks like it wants to respect and go short. I mean, go long. I don't like this. Respecting that too. 5-minute just printed. Just took it out. Printed above. Damn, we took out these lows. It might be long. Might have to take these longs. Might gotta take these longs, y'all. Looks like we just took out some liquidity and just bounced, but we just reject. We're just bouncing off this 5-minute. Let me get rid of this because it's invalid. That's invalid. This is invalid. This is invalid. Here we go. Still in this trade though. Still in this trade. Was that, should we go long? Be honest with you, I would say wait. That's just my opinion. I would say wait. But if you want to take the long, take it. Don't be afraid. I tried to go for the short. How many times? It came down 3 times and it didn't break. Then what you would do? I mean, I'm not gonna change my bias. I'm just not gonna do it just yet because I'm still in trade. I'm not a fan of just switching bias up and down. Right? I'm not a fan of doing that. But if you want to take that trade, take it. Don't be afraid to. Yeah, I might take this long. I might take it. Because how we bouncing at this block right here too. We're bouncing at this block right here sideways. Man, I should have known off the 1 hour. 30-minute. Five-minute. We in all-time highs. You should be going nothing but long. Yeah. Pose. Take it. I'm not taking it. It's so overextended. Now, if it do retrace, I might. We'll see though. Gotta practice good trading skills. Can't just be hopping in and hopping out of trades. I like how ES respected that 1 hour. That was just enough confirmation for the longs. What we gonna see though? Cause we are in this range. Look how rangy we are. Look, we're just taking out highs, taking out lows, taking out highs, and just squeezing out. That would be a good idea though. I didn't expect it to bounce like that. But I should have known better. That's okay though. It is what it is, right? And who's in the loans right now? Even though we took that out, I would expected us to at least, man. As soon as I seen that it didn't want to break 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, I should have known that the loans come in, but we're still in this range though. We're gonna see. Can we have a continuation to the shorts? I was hoping that we are coming feeling all of this liquidity below. We didn't break on the wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Like I said, it's on you, bro. So if y'all want to take it, take it. If you don't do it. It's at your own risk. We got 5 minutes until all the candles print. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. 5 minutes until all candles print. I'm still gonna sit in this trade. I'm not gonna take out of it because I'm still in it. Right back beneath the 30 minute. I'm gonna add 10. All right, I'm at 20 back. Risking account. Risking account. Oh, it's gonna push back up. It's gonna push back up. I just love how we rejecting off this on all of the blocks. I love this right here. But nah, it wants to push. Oh well. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We got a couple more minutes until these candles print though. So we just might see chop the whole time. It's holding. Goodness, it's holding that. Oh my goodness, it's really holding that. As soon as it taps, it just doing. Right? You know what I don't like? One of the things I don't like is being in the middle of the range. Like, I don't like it. I would expect us to reject the way how we came off on a 5-minute on a 30-minute fair value gap. I like how we respected that. We also took out this liquidity. I want to see us just drop, but it don't have to. You know, it don't have to. I am in heavy. I am risking account, so it might blow. I also have another account that I can trade. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. Let me look on a 1 minute. I don't like that. I don't like this. I don't like that. That's pushing. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Can we reject, or is it gonna push? 1 minute left. Amazing. Yeah, true that. It's building up long. I'm gonna scale out. Alright, so I just scaled out. Might scale out some more if we do continue long. I should have held my contracts. Should have held my contracts. But oh well. It's about to print anyway, so it don't matter. It really don't matter. It's about to print. I'm about to get out of this because it's about to print a new candle. I'm gonna just wait, get out of it. And stop. I'm out of it. Hey, it happens. We in this range. I mean, shoot, we in range. So why even? You know, look at this. Look at these wicks, man. These wicks alone. There's no barely even. These candles are non-existent. So you just see nothing but side. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Oh yeah. Hey, we're gonna see. Add 5. I'm gonna add 10 right here. I would like to see us get past this candle. If we can get past that candle, oh my goodness. If we don't, then you know it's going back up long. If we don't get past this candle, you know that thing going up all the way up to the tippy top. Couldn't break. Couldn't break. Couldn't break. Got underneath the 30 minute. Underneath the 30 minute. Couldn't underneath this block. underneath, couldn't break. I just had to be more patient. I just had to be more patient. Just more patient. The trade would have been perfect. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some more water. I was just a little bit more patient. Just a little bit more patient. Just And you know what's so crazy about streaming? When you have a lot of people go long, go short, go long, and you really gotta stay focused. This is what this is really is teaching me how to stay focused. Wow, but hey, you know, good trade though, good trade, good advice. Everybody in chat, good advice. Just follow your rules, follow your trade. I want to reject right here. I knew as soon as we got to that candle right here, we wanted to reject. As soon as we got to this wick, I already knew. We're gonna see though. It happens, man. It happens. You'll have a lot of noise, and it will distract you. But if I continue to follow my trade, I think I'll be all right. Now it can see how see right here. This is the point I was talking about right here. This right here. We're gonna see though continuation. Can we have that continuation? I don't want to see you come all the way up to the highest of the highest, and then I'm not feeling that. But we might, you know, because remember the trend is still long, right? The trend is still long. But I would like for us to come back and retrace. I would have liked that. Yeah, it do look long. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It do look long. It looks like it doesn't even want to give up a short. Yeah, this thing about to pop. I might have to get out. I don't like how we close above this. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. We're gonna see. I'm gonna hold it. We're gonna see. Yeah, especially with this 5 minute being above this. This might be a long. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. But then no, actually, I might add. I might add into this. 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 I might add. If the trade can still play out, I would like for it to play out though. No. Never mind. We're gonna see. I should have took partials when we was down here. One, I'm not really a fan of taking partials when we literally just barely tap any lows, and two, it is what it is, you know? It is what it is. This is a tough market day. It's Monday. It could be accumulation day. We could accumulate today and then go nowhere tomorrow. I mean, then go somewhere tomorrow. Look at this range. Look at all this wicks, man. You know, the market don't have to do nothing that it doesn't want to. This market doesn't have to do anything it doesn't want to. We're gonna see though. You always have winning positions and not taking profit, then turn out to losing trades. Hey, it happens. It happens, you know? I don't know. I think I see something too early. I see it too early in some trades, and I don't know. I'm not really much of a scalper. I'm not too big on scalping. I could, but I'm just not too big on it. I like technicals. I don't know. Something about technicals gets me going. I mean, it's not like I passed. I can see if this was my first time ever passing an account. I've passed so many PAs and taken so many payouts. I just like the art of it so much to where it's like not even about the money no more. Like I would love to like execute. I would love to have like a trading style down pack that I know for a fact that it's just like, oh man, it's the one. I'm not too big on taking a trade because it hit a low and then scalping it. I'm not that big of a fan. I like to see respect. I like to see supply and demand get respect. I like to see certain I like to see ICT trades just work out. I really do. I really do. But we may not see much because of this range. We in this range. We're literally in the middle. literally, right? Look at this. Previous day high, previous day low. We're like in the equilibrium of this whole day. Might continue to go long though. See right here? This is what my indication that we might continue to go long. It's right here off this high. How we not breaking this high, we're stacking above this high. Also how we stacked above right here too. Yo, what happened? Am I still in the trade? Did it take me out the trade? Y'all seen that? Hey, did I accidentally click out of the trade? I'm about to get back in it. I'm about to get back in this. Yo, y'all seen that? Did y'all see that? Yo, this thing is bugging out. What's up, Amara? Yo, this thing is bugging out. Yo, I know I'm not tripping, bro. Yo, Top Step X thing is bugging out. Y'all seen that, right? Like it was not showing. It wasn't even showing. It wasn't even showing the It wasn't even showing my entry. Bro, what's going on? This thing is buggy. Yo, I don't like that, bro. I don't like that. Nah, bro, I'm about to get out of this stuff. This ain't it, coach. This ain't it. This ain't it. This ain't it, coach. We in this range too. Hey, like I said, I was risking the cow too, by the way. Oh, this thing about the, ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Well. We're about to see. Look at the 5 minute. If we can respect this area. Oh, we got 40 seconds on that. Oh, man. I just love the shorts on this play, man. This short looks so good. It looks so good. It just do. The wick on this one, the green high we just couldn't build up. I like that, but then it's almost like he doesn't want to give it. Come on. Give us this trade. Respect this range. Hey, it is what it is, man. Hey, you know, it is what it is. We blown, we passed some. It is what it is. It is what it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that pop. Ugh. Gross me out with that one. Might have to scale out. Might have to scale out. I'm scaling out. Wow, I changed my position. I want to see us if we could respect. If we could respect this fair value gap, I really would like to go back into a short and go heavier. But it looks like we're not. Looks like we're about to pop. See, look how we're building up. Sellers keep drying up, going up. But we're not breaking. We're going to see. We might stay in this range all day. Who knows? Bro, I don't like how that didn't show my TP. I mean my entry. That right there. Oh, come on. Mm. Damn, it's not really giving nothing nice at all. I don't like that. So figure out. Yeah. Chop fest. The shorts might look like they might play out. I like that. I like how they look, you know? I like the development of it. Trying to say we're gonna I think we're gonna go short right now. I think this might be it. Let me add 5 on this. I'm in 10 right now. Let me do 1 right here. Might add more. Might add more for respect more. Oh, it's looking good. It looks good. I want to see us break this. If we don't break this, if we don't get past this right here for sure, We might see a lot of trouble to the longs. Like that. Yeah, this looks long. Dang, I don't like the build up.
Good morning, chat.
Hey, hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
I might add it to this. I'm in 15. One thing I don't like doing is scaling in and scaling out too much. That gets annoying. Knowing that I'm already down 1140. It's all good though. We're just gonna hold what we got. So, we got 40 seconds on this 15-minute. I don't like that. 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 Can we get a nice little sweep? Come on, get a nice little sweep before this little 10 seconds come out. Hey, that's truth in that, bro. Ain't gonna lie, it's truth in that. You get that confidence back. Bro, y'all funny. Y'all funny, man. Y'all should be comedians. Y'all hilarious. Gotta have faith. Watch me pop back up. I mean, look, since we didn't print, man, damn, this might be the moment I need to take out. Oh, actually, hold on. Let me hold it. Let me hold it and see. 30-second. I like it, man. Man, look at this. Look at the man. Just look at the development of this move, man. It's so beautiful. The stress you got to go through just to get this play. It's crazy. All right, so ES is breaking down. I like how ES is breaking down. If ES had a continuation in that break. Oh man, I don't like that. Uh-oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, sir. Sir. Don't do that. I got to take out some partials, but I don't want to. You know? All right, there we go. There we go. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it moving. I'll get them losses back. Come on. We in a good entry. Ah. Boo. Boo. Come on. Now, I like how we broke below this. Now that I like that. Right here. I like this. I just don't want to see us pop. Yeah. Talk about too tough. This is tough. Yeah. Oh, I don't like that. I'm definitely gonna get back above this point right here too. Oh. Three bar reversal? Oh, I might scale out of this. I'm out of that. Terrible. We can reject again. I'll get back in. I'll scale back in. Man, that's just ugly, 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 ugly. Look at that. You take it out, then you like, you might say, oh, I took this out, and then you want to jump back in it, and then it shoots back down. What is this? Now, I know a lot of people are getting hurt right now. There gotta be a lot of people getting hurt in this trade. They thinking that they're gonna have a break, and then we keep bouncing. Just keep bouncing. That's annoying. Look at that. Perfect. I see a continuation long. We're gonna see. What a shame. What a shame. You gotta wait a whole hour just to trade. Alright, so it looks like we're bouncing at that ES 1 hour. We're gonna see. I would like to see a continuation and take out that imbalance below though, because ES got an imbalance below that I would love to see us take out. Man, that's crazy. Beautiful imbalance below. Respect. Okay, 40 seconds left until this 5-minute prints. Huh? How you was able to send something without sending something? I mean, you on some other stuff, bro. How you was able to do that? Let me get rid of some of these lines. ES is still in a 15-minute break of mitigation. ES is in a 15 break of mitigation. Yeah, okay, we'll see. We couldn't break high 3 times. Well, ooh, yeah, two times. Why not the rejection? Why not? That looks good. The rejection do look good to me. Okay. Okay. Alright. Yeah, this might be long. We're gonna see. A lot of fake outs though. We're gonna see. Yeah. Let's see. ES might be. Yeah, this might be the longs. We're gonna see. Trying to make sure that I'm not saying that it's gonna go long because I've seen a green long candle. That don't mean nothing to me. If I'm seeing respect on these blocks, if I'm seeing that we're respecting these wicks, then I can see a long. Man, these trades. But look, this is the thing. It's like we're constantly grinding lower, but oh, wait, never mind. This might be long. We're gonna see. Ooh, this is tough. Tricky. Amazing. About to get stopped out. Wow, you're really telling me that this man, that is crazy. Cut and break. We rejected off the 4 hour. Let me look at a 5-minute. Right? Rejected off the 4 hour perfectly. The fair value gap. Came back up. Rejected again. Reject again. Reject again. Reject again. Reject again. Reject again. Reject right here. Reject right there on the 30-minute. Right on the 15-minute. 30-minute. Reject right here. Bop bop. SMT. How we not breaking low? Right here. These blocks couldn't go above. We couldn't break this. We couldn't break that. Rejection. Right? Why is the next stop is not short? Right? Well, we try to take it out at the beginning though. That's the crazy thing. And I'm surprised that we couldn't. This is why I took the short. This is why I was thinking short. This was my bias. I'm gonna show you real quick why I wanted the short. And I might say, yeah, we took the break of structure and the higher time frame is still long. Right? Let me see on the 4 hour right here. I'm gonna show you what I mean. Even though we might be bouncing at this block, this might be the reason why we're bouncing. Right here, right? This high. We couldn't break this low on this high. But the thing is, I'm thinking like since we're rejecting off this fair value gap and we couldn't break, why not come down into this 4 hour and then take out this low and then bounce? Since we already in this, I mean in on discount, right? That's what I'm thinking. Why not? But we don't have to. If we couldn't break higher on a 4 hour, maybe we just ranging. Maybe we just accumulating. Maybe this is Monday. You know, we accumulating, and that's what it is. That's probably what it is. All right, I'm out of. There we go. I'm about to say, what's taking so long to take me out of my trades? We tried. It is what it is. I ain't gonna lie, that's one ugly move. How many ticks was that move? 100 ticks. I'm in 1 micro right now. And then didn't I say earlier it's a see money, take money type of day? Why I didn't take out when I seen money and took money? Why I didn't just take it out? Knowing that you got all these wicks, that's more confirmation that you might see a lot of range, right? Range, 30 to 15 minute range, 30-minute range. Wow. Looks like looking long, y'all. Looking long, looking long, looking long, looking long. I might take a long. Let me get out this trade. Might see about a long. We're gonna see. I'm changing my bias. Right here, off this 4 hour right here, on this block right here. I like on the 15-minute that we just bounced perfectly twice. Also at this range how I put up this look, see? It's looking good. It's looking long. Maybe it wants to take out the longs. Like you say, take out the highs. Looks good. Look at this V shape. Looks good. See if I can find an entry on the long if you don't just take off like a rocket. I was hoping not to change my bias, but we're gonna see. See? Also ES. ES is looking good to bounce off the 1 hour. Look at that on ES. Right? Thought we was gonna break it, but guess not. It is what it is. So we're gonna see about the long. See if I can find a good entry on the long. Well, it's already taking off so fast. Goodness, give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. We're going for those highs. 1 minute breaker entry. At what price? What price? I gotta see how much max loss I got left. 2. I got a little bit left. I gotta be careful. I'm at 240 on maximum drawdown left. Gotta really play it smart. Man, this trade looks odd. I ain't gonna lie to you. 22.938, 22.938. Yeah, especially at the zone right here. Yeah, I'm gonna see that 30-minute. I'm gonna see if it respected it good. Oh, yeah, that's good. Also on the 1 minute, got the break above on this candle right here. It looks good. Just shot up. You couldn't even get more confirmation. Just shot. Crazy. A lot of little traps and a lot of little fake outs too. We're gonna see if we can get a retracement and then respect that back at this block, and then we just go long. And if not, then it looks like we might pump and just go to the moon. And my kids are crying. 2 minutes left on the 15-minute. 2 minutes left on the 15-minute. Look at the 1 hour. Hey, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. All right, so we got back up to this point. Let's look at it on a 5-minute. Big rejection though. This is why we in this range. I think it's, yeah, like I said, see money, take money type of trade. Get right back below. This is why I gotta really take this off. I'm gonna take all this stuff off. I feel like it's just noise. They're trying to trap us out, man. They really trying to make us think it's these loans coming in. They really trying to make us think these loans. I just had a feeling they was gonna pull us off, pull us. bro. They really think they slick, bro. We gonna see. We gonna see. We got 30 seconds left on this 30-minute. We gonna see. Bro, they really think they slick, bro. Trapping. Alright, so we're back at that 1 hour on ES. See if we can have that continuation long. I'm gonna go back down to a 5-minute on in Q. See if we can respect. Bop, I like that. I might add 5. We got a fair value gap right here. Also right there. How many seconds left? My bias was short. That was my bias for the day, was short. And that's what's crazy. It's just that we're not getting the shorts. Why? Why you not giving me these shorts? We need the shorts. Okay. If we can get that respect right here, it'd be nice to get along. And if not, then you know the show's gonna come in because it. Wait a minute. Oh no, don't tell me this was the move on the 30-minute. Don't tell me. I was faked out. Probably. I probably was faked out. We're gonna see. Big push off that move. Big push. I'm gonna wait a second, we'll get more confirmation before I take it long. Like I said, guys, it might be a see money, take money type of day. You may not see no clear direction today. Because it's Monday. Right? Barely any news. It's Monday, so we might see whatever you can get in, get out. That's what it's looking like to me. Right, let's see. See if we can hold this level, especially right here too. See if we can hold these levels. Couldn't break once. Well, we broke once. Fill the imbalance below. Let me know in the chat what y'all thinking. What are y'all thinking? This market is good at switching your bias up. I ain't gonna lie. Money should have been see money, take money. Can we hold this level? I would like to see us hold this level. I'm trying to be patient to see if we can respect either this or we can respect this. I'm just waiting for more confirmation before I take a trade and go in it. Alright, alright, alright. Five minutes about to print in 40 seconds. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. You're telling me we rejected off this 30-minute that gorgeously just for the shorts to really come in like this? It's criminal. Man, how much patience do you have to have for a market to play out? Yeah, that might be the... Man, wow. Wow. No break, no break, no break. No break, no break, no break. No break, no break, no break. Couldn't break, couldn't break. We're gonna see. I'm trying to see where it wants to take liquidity out. Which higher time frame, which in the higher time frame, which way it wants to go. Does it want to take out the lows? Or does it want to go for them highs? Patience, not holding over open and print and not under low of day. Yeah. I ain't trying to be on this all day, to be honest with you. You true, that's right. I ain't trying to be on this all day. I'm trying to see if I can find a trade and get in and get out. Alright. Can we get, nah, this might be a bounce. Alright, so ES looks like it's breaking that 1 hour. I want to see us drop. Ugh. Yeah, we might see a drop. 5 minutes just printed. Market choppy. it be like that, man. big look, pop and then reject. That's why I be just gotta sit on hands. If we can respect right here, skapow, going on. Oh no, I don't like that trade. I don't like that. I don't like it. Man, I don't like when it does that. Something I don't like when it does that, y'all. Really don't. Breaking it. Ooh. Scalp something and walk away. Hey, you ain't lying. You ain't lying. I've been thinking that maybe news later. Trump said several countries will get tariffs later Monday. We're gonna see. Man, these shorts are not coming in. Man, these shorts come. I'm gonna be highly not upset. Cause I've waited patiently for these shorts. If you're breaking down like if you're breaking down, just let me know. Like if you're doing this, let me know. If you're doing this, I just want to know. If you're breaking down, I got to know. Cause I waited patiently for you. Patiently. My followers waited patiently for that trade. I should have scalped you and got off. Mm. I might go into a long. Wow. Put my stop below the lows. It's getting choppy. And we underneath the fair value gap. Don't tell me this is a short. Don't tell me no. Hold. Really, like look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at this goofiness. I'm appalled. Okay. Okay, no break. Okay, come on. Okay, no break right here, no break right there. Holding past this point. Right? Come on. Chop City. Jeez. This might be the shorts, y'all. But I've been waiting on the most. This might be it. There it is. Skadoosh. Just beating us down today, just destroying us on this combine. Don't tell me I waited this whole time for this. There's no way I waited all of this. I waited through all of this chop just to catch this short. Well, it looks like I lost today. I ain't gonna lie to you. Bro, what is going on back there? What is going on back there? Hey, yo, I'll be right back. Be right back. Be right back. 1 minute left into the 15-minute prints. 16 minutes left on that. But it's 4 hour. Oh my goodness, this market is criminal. Criminal. Down 13.29 on this account, dog. Goodness, what is going on today? Hey, this account is close to blowing though. I think I got like 100 left. Let me see. I have 144 left. 144 left. Why you doing me like this? On this 15-minute, we got 50 seconds left. If we can't get broke, if we can't break past this point, man, come on, Day. Bro, we can't pass this point. There should be no reason why we're going short. And shout out to all y'all that sat on hands today and watched me. Hey, Admire was like, yeah, I told y'all I was gonna get chopped up. Had a feeling. Good job sitting on hands if you did, though. This market is not giving nobody no handouts. It's hurting people's plays right now. 1 second left. 1 second left. 15 minutes about to print. Here we go. I'm gonna risk it. Just because this account on its lowest, I'm gonna risk it. This count is on its lowest. Watch the shorts come in. Shorts want to come in even though it couldn't break. Bro, chill out. Chill out, bro. I'm going full in. Taking our partials right here. Let's go. That wasn't too bad. Hey, we might have a shot after all. It's time. We about to scalp this market. Man, talk about annoying. Jeez. Hey, at least you watching though. You seeing me, you seeing my ups and my downs, you seeing me playing through all this little chop, flip flop, all of this nonsense. But it's making us smarter, it's making us stronger at this market, it's making us know when to take the plays, when to take our profits and get out, call it a day. I had a feeling today was gonna be chopped because why? Today we did take out these highs, right? And when we print it in a range. So when I seen this, I was like, oh man, that might be rangy today. Look how like the middle of the equilibrium we are. I don't see us really going anywhere. We could, but we'll see. I'm gonna hold this trade to see if we can continue to go long and take out these highs. We couldn't break on a 30-minute. We couldn't break on a 15-minute. I want to see us take these highs out. If we don't take these highs out, then I don't know. Might take out once we get to this high again. Couldn't break this high. We gonna see. Shit is annoying. I ain't gonna lie. It's a nice guy. Hey, sometimes you get exhausted from. I'm a +5 and I'm a -10 right here and follow the blocks and then man just in and out. It gets like that. You get to a point where you like that, but I don't do that often. Because honestly, when I get tired and I get exhausted, and I know a trade, I can take a trade and I can be on the right side of the market. I'm gonna scalp it, but I'm not. I'm mostly 80% technical. And maybe 15 to 20% scalping. You rarely see me taking, oh, big rejection. Get in, get out. I highly do that. Highly do that. I didn't want to see this account blow. Honestly, I didn't want to see it. I worked so hard on it. Ew, come on, huh? What is this? What is this? What is this? I'm on. The only reason I'm trading is to kind of fill in the time with the stream though. I try to make the streams at least 2 hours too. You know what? I might take some more longs. I might take some more longs. If ES continue to respect, oh, I don't like how it's not. If ES continue to respect that 1 hour, I might take some more longs. Hopefully we don't break down. There should be no reason why we breaking down. Oh, what are you doing? Come on, what are you doing? You messing me up. Okay, 30-second. I'm gonna put this 30-second on fair value. You got see if we respect that. Like, okay. Not too bad, not too bad. Might get into some more longs right here. I wanna see his respect. Okay. Ooh. Kind of missed my entry to get into something heavy. Y'all about to see me scalp. I'm about to start scalping. As long as ES shows some respect and that it can constantly hold this 1 hour, I might go in even heavier. But then again, I kind of missed my entry though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was gonna get in right here, but I was too busy trying to do this to my charts. One second left. All right, that was ugly. Okay. What's for 5 minute? Oh yeah, I don't like that. That thing about to drop. Don't drop on me. Don't drop on me like that. No! Account about to be liquidated. Liquidation in 3, 2, 1. And, all right, whatever. Let's go to our other account. I got another account. It is what it is. Wow. I thought we had to build up. The reason why I got into it, cause I thought we had to build up nice. I thought we had the nice respect to kind of literally take this all out. But no. It want to drop to the end of the world. It is what it is, right? Fake me out. Yeah, I might have to just take what I got and just get off. All right, so I got a new account. First account's blown. Got another, stick on my other account. I'm still working on. Good thing this ain't 5. Good thing this ain't 5 following accounts. Man, there's no way. There's just no way you're telling me this is shorts. There's just no way. Ew. Yeah. Y'all see me scalp and lose like that. Crazy. So I knew the shorts were coming because the 5 minute we didn't print. The green candle didn't print above these wicks. Instant red candle. Instant. Should have known that we didn't build up right. Instant. As soon as I saw that. Shorts. It's almost like it's grinding closer and closer to this previous day low. How crazy is that? Look how we're trying to like respect it. Even this line right here, look at this. Even with this line, right? Just it just kept holding it. It just kept holding it, and then it finally gave in. That's what more confirmation that I was trying to go long. Wow. Wow. These longs really these shorts was the play this whole time. I've been bamboozled. I've been fooled and bamboozled. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. All right, so has finally. I think ES has officially fulfilled that imbalance, though. Let's see what else we have on ES. 5 minutes left into this 1 hour print. I'm gonna wait till this 5 minute. I'm gonna wait till this 5 minute print. I'm gonna wait till this 1 hour print in the 5 minute. I'm gonna take my trade. And I'm scalping that. I'm scalping that. I am not playing. I'm scalping that. Cause I'm exhausted. Want to catch one good trade. So first account was blown. As y'all can see, first account was blown. Right? Now we on our second account. Not the ineligible one you seeing right here. It's the one at the top. I just keep that on. I don't know why they don't get rid of it. They just kept it up there. Now we on this other account that I'm working on. Right? See, we can have a bounce on the 1 hour. Once the 1 hour print, 1 hour prints in like 4 minutes. 1 hour prints in 4 minutes, or we're gonna continue short. Man, I should have kept with my bias. That's why it's good to have one bias of the day and just get off. It's good to just have one bias. One bias, follow your rules. If your trade don't play out, get off. Okay, yeah, somebody gonna say, when you was rejecting off these SMAs right here? I forgot all about them. Forgot about the SMA right here. Look at the rejection. I bet we was rejecting good off of it. Look, right here too. Bop. Shoulda known. Shoulda known. Shoulda known right here. Shoulda known. Damn, man, I missed all of the cues. Missed all of the cues. That SMA is really no joke. Shout out to what's his name? Adrenaline Rush. Bro had it going on with that one too. Nice rejection off the SMA, especially off this midpoint. Nice, good job. Also look at the rejection off the 30 minute too. 30-minute rejection, perfect. We couldn't pass that on the 1 minute. Nice. 2 minute, we couldn't break on that. Couldn't break on that on the 3. Couldn't break down on the 5. And also we rejected off these SMAs. Perfect short. Perfect short. Should have known right off this 5 minute when we printed this green candle, when we couldn't pass these wicks and we got stayed underneath these bars, I should have known the shorts were gonna come in. And that would have been my trade for the day. All because I switched my bias up. Trading can be really, really easy or really, really stressful. It can be really easy if we just keep it simple. And there you go, TP hit. TP would have hit if I would have just held that stop above this. Right? Green candle. Rejection. Right? Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Breakdown. Finally broken down. And then before you know it, previous day low gonna get hit. Be honest with you, it's about to hit it right now. That would have been my first TP. That would have been my full. That would have been my full trade from earlier. Gotta love it. $1 minute prints in one minute. 1 hour prints in 1 minute, my bad. 1 hour prints in 1 minute. See, we can tap into this previous day low. It don't have to though. That's the thing. It don't have to touch the previous day low. But you would see, usually it would. You see, like right now, it's about to swap. I wouldn't scalp this. Why would I scalp for 20 ticks? That's retarded. Now, if I was able to get into a trade right here, if I was to get into a trade probably up here somewhere, that'd be nice. If we can get like a retracement and then I can get into a short right here, before it's probably gonna drop right now. Probably gonna drop. No, it's not. Okay, bet. So if I can get a retracement and get into a short, I probably can scalp this. Alright, see if we can respect right here. Go back to a 1 minute. 30 seconds left on this 1 hour. Uh-oh, might have a chance to go to see. We're gonna see. Might push into this 4 hour right here though. We're gonna see. 10 seconds. Here we go. All right. I gotta find a spot where we're gonna push off of. I don't see no block to push off of. Might see a short continuation. Yeah, we printed the 1 hour, but I'm not gonna take a long because what we bouncing off of? What, this? I would like to see us bounce off this 4 hour right here. See this 4 hour right here? It'd be nice to see a bounce right here. It'd be nice to see a bounce right there. Or at least tap into the previous day low, at least. Damn. I would have got a long right here if we would have bounced right here. But I think we're gonna go back down short. We're gonna see. See what happens right here. Come on, computer, what are you doing? All right, I'm gonna take the short. Oh, can we take the short? I'm gonna take the short now. Put my stop above here. Loss of 182. See if we can reject. Take my TP, add this 4 hour right here. Might go in heavy for a scalp if we do follow through. Ooh, okay. Not too crazy. Robinhood crypto. Hope I don't get too much of a pop. Bro, where's my stuff? Hey, thanks, Deontay. Hopefully, I don't gotta push back into this fair value gap above. I'm not trying to see that, but I don't think we are. I might add it to this. See if we can have a continuation. Probably a little too early for the trade. Let's see where we at. Can we respect? Ooh. I probably got in too early on this trade. Oh, can we respect? Might take out. Yeah, I probably got in too early. We're gonna see. Amazing. Amazing. Might have to just take my L. Might just have to take my L today, y'all. All in, bro. All in. Might have to just take my L. If it don't play out, I'm gonna have to take my L. I just gotta take my L today, y'all. 5 seconds on that. I don't want to see us break that. I mean, come on. Might just gotta take my L today. Might just gotta take my L today. I gotta take my L. Market been so chopped. I gotta take my L today. I gotta take my L today. Man, this market is gonna just fake everything out this whole time, man. You could be in the trade thinking it's gonna work out, and you gotta hold it for dear life just to trade. Wow. Yeah, that might be it. That might be it. That might be it. That might be it. Get out the way. Ooh. Ooh, we. Might gotta take that L, y'all. Might gotta take that L today. W's in the chat. Might gotta take that W today. Man, it's really trying. It's the patience. Bro, what is this? What is this, man? Might have to scale out. Might have to scale out. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it. 3 minutes. Not liking it. Hey, thanks for the support, Deontay. Appreciate it. How many trades did you take today? Probably what? Like 4, 3, maybe? Cause I was my first trade was in the morning trying to go for a short at this 30-minute, but I just kept getting faked out. And well, actually right here. I kept getting faked out around here. Hold on, let me go on 15 minutes so you can see better. I kept getting faked out around here. Kept going down, retraced it. Kept going down, retraced it. Kept going down. So I got kind of nervous in my bias and I took out, right? I tried to go long, heavy right here, and it went down. I just got so exhausted I ignored the signs of this SMA. So I might have to just get out this trade. But yeah, I took about 3 or 4 trades. That's really it. Nothing too crazy. But heavy, went too heavy. Went too heavy. 45 seconds on that. Can we hold this range? Man, it's like almost like, man. Come on. If it don't break, you know what that means, right? You know what that means, right? Yeah. If it don't break. Might have to get out of this. If it don't break, 5, 6 seconds left. If it gets above that, I'm probably going to have to get out of this. Let me look at the 2 minute on this. Oh yeah, this might be going long. What a fake out. I might have to take this out. Might have to take this out. Not liking this trade. Not liking it. We in 50 micros, 5 minis. Can we get the continuation? Probably not. 10 seconds left on the 15 minute. I might have to get out this trade. Since we got that pop above all of this, I might have to get out this trade. We're gonna see. High didn't get taken out. We also had this we had this half point right here. What is this? Oh, this is a 1 minute block. Ooh. Yeah, I might have got up out of this. I gotta get up out of this. Yeah. Yeah. I'm scaling out. Well, that's it for the day. I tried to take a good trade. It is what it is. Couldn't get the continuation. It is what it is. Some days you size too heavy. Some days you hold your trade for too long and it just goes in reverse. Some days you change your bias. Some days you scout. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. I try my best. And then some days it might just go crazy, just extra. Now this thing tank, it's going to just blow me. Thought I can catch a quick scalp and just get out. With no volume, the volume will slow down. Wow, aggressive. Ah man, why it's so tough. Thanks Deontay for the W's in the chat. Appreciate the love and support, man. Started my Monday off rough. What's that? 14 viewers on 1.42 million. Ha ha ha. I know. At least I got the 1.4 million, and at least I got the 14 viewers. Ha 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 ha. It can be tough. It really can. Even when you got it. Even when you got it. Don't tell me this 1 hour just print, just this 1 hour printed just to come back up and then come back down. Alright, now I gotta post these losses. I'm in a practice account right now. I'm in practice. Just wanted to see if it's gonna follow through on my trade. Just wanted to see. Wow. Wow. Just wake me out. Wake me out. Been tough. I ain't gonna lie. It's been really tough. Really tough. Marcus been whooping me. Giving me a beating. Well, we're gonna try again. We're gonna try again. It is what it is. So I guess he wanted to take out some liquidity and just go with no bounce. Man, we didn't really have a legit bounce at all. Amazing. I'm coming, y'all. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. All right. All right. Let's get back to it. I'll get rid of this. I'll get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. This. Actually, I might keep what I had. I think it was important that I keep it. Chop City. Oh my goodness. What EMAs do you use? What EMAs? I use SMAs. The guy showed me it though. I'm gonna show you right now. These are the ones I use. It's 9 close, 25 close, and 50 close. 9 close, 25 close, and 50 close. That's the one he had. I had on there. I never really took it off though. Man, this market is really weird, man. Surprised it hasn't really made any moves. Maybe how we keep rejecting off this right here too. No, it might be the trade. I'm pretty sure. I know for a fact. What's his name? Rambo went on his long. If he was to take this long, I know he's taking his long right now. Rambo. Hey, yeah, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. How long I've been on here? How long I've been on here? I've been on here for a good while time. I gotta really get off. Alright, I'm gonna get off in a few, y'all. $15 just printed. Hey, that's what's up, levels. Took one trade up for 20 on my funded and another eval. That's what's up, bro. Good job. You know what's crazy? Not to mention you, I find it funny that everybody's always up, but nobody never mentions their losses. Like nobody ever mentions, dang, I blew another account. Dang, I didn't pass. Or I noticed that nobody never really mentions that. Never really mentions that. I wonder why. But good job if you are up. Good job. You were doing a good job. See if I can find a trade before I get off. I'm gonna get off in a few though, cause we push at lunchtime. See if we can find something. Quick push on a 30-minute. I'm just shocked that we could even just touch down just a tad bit. Even though it's 100 ticks, we couldn't even just come down on that 1 hour. Amazing. They don't want to give us that discount. Nice bounce right here too. 50 ticks right there. I blew my first 4 evaluations. 5th time I passed. Just started trading futures a few months ago, but been trading for a year and a half. That's what's up. That's what's up. That is what's up. Good stuff, man. I gotta go eat something. I'm getting exhausted. Trying to find at least one trade to call it a day on here. I go on Top Step Wednesday at 11:15. Just to let y'all know, I will be on Top Step TV Wednesday at 11:15. I was hoping I could get a PA by then. Before I went on, but it is what it is. Yep, about to wrap it up in a few, y'all. No, not at all. I actually blew 2 accounts. See? Wow, blew this account. Didn't do good at all today. See? I could have taken some. You know what's so crazy? It's funny how I was supposed to be in the profits. If I would have held my trade, not traded my buy, for example, I changed my bias because we didn't get this break. We didn't break this 30-minute 3 times. So I end up changing my bias to go long, and then when I did to go full in, it decides to go back down. And what's crazy is my TP was at previous day low. Tell me why. Even if I was to go short, and even if I was to hold my trade, it would even never tap that. I'll be right back. It's crazy, man. Market really would. Be right back. I'm at. A lot of wicks. It's hard to trade these markets unless you like scalping, because there's a lot of wicks, y'all. But I have a feeling that we might be going long. 2 hours left on that candle. We're gonna see. Might see about a short right here. See a short right here. Put my stop. Oh shoot. Put my stop above for a risk of like 400. See if we can continue to have this short. You know what? You know what? I might get up out of this. I might get up out of this because I don't like what we had. I'm out of it. I'm out of it. No, it's good. It's alright. It's straight. It's just trading. I'm getting out of that. Do what I was supposed to do. What's this? Yeah. Of course. Well, you know what? I'm gonna get off. I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. I think that's it. I think that's it. Hope y'all really have a good day. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the scripture up here. I think I'm done for the day. I'm exhausted. I'm over trading, over leveraged, and just should have known that it was gonna be a rangy day. But other than that, let's get this word out. Let's get this word out. This is more important. Remember that Romans chapter 8, verse 6, it says, so letting your sinful nature control your mind leads to death, but letting the spirit control your mind leads to life and peace, okay? So make sure that you stay in the spirit, giving your worries, giving your cares and your stress to God. You know, don't worry about tomorrow because today has enough problems of its own. Stay focused on today. Love your neighbors. Continue to remain holy and obedient to God's word and calling out to him, all right? Also put on that armor of God, the helmet of salvation, the breastplate of righteousness, to protect your heart, the shield of faith, to defend against the enemy's attacks, the sword of the Spirit, which is the word of God, the scriptures. It's stronger than any double-edged sword, and the shoes of peace, to stand firm in your calling. Start your day, but to confront the forces, preparing to start the day, but to confront the forces of darkness that might try to derail you off your purpose. So make sure that you put on that full armor of God, y'all, so y'all can stay strong, be aware, be strong, and, you know, can fight off all of the attacks of the enemy. God bless y'all. I pray y'all have a good day. And I'll see y'all in the next stream.